use my bum and my head to alter the direction of where Sam's going. So, Grant, I understand where you're coming from, my friend, but persevere, because the K1600 is the best bike ever. There isn't another one like it anywhere. Now, I hear people talking about, oh, I like to do this and I like to do that. Then buy another bike to do that. The K1600 is a great bike for going to work. It's a great bike for going on holiday and vacation, and will carry shed loads of gear that no other bike can. It's got a massive big engine, so fuel consumption is really good. 53 to the gallon is not bad at all, which is 53 litres per 100. So that, sorry, 5.3 litres to 100 kilometres. So that's not bad at all. So she's very economical. She'll do it 2 up. She'll do it 2 up fully laden. She'll do it 2 up fully laden with additional luggage. Because I carry an additional 153 litres on top of the 115 litres that she comes with. So I'm carrying 260 litres, which is as big as most people's trunks in their cars. Does it mean that I change the way that I ride? Yeah, and that's the beauty of the K1600. You adapt your ride style almost for every individual instant. And that's the beauty, because the ride style is exactly that. For doing long tours, I do it this way. For going out and ripping up the autobahns, I do it another way. So the K1600 is a bike for all seasons for me, but I have to adapt the way I ride to the way that she talks, and that's the difference. So once I could understand what she was talking to me about, everything became simple. I suddenly understood exactly what she was all about, but more importantly, it improved my riding. So my riding skills have got better since I've had Sam. Do I still do stupid things? Hell yeah, always. Do I sometimes go a little bit too quick? Yes. Yeah. There's no such thing as too quick. Now, road conditions permitting and legal permissions permitting as well. Now, Sam has a whole range of feels, sounds, so it's important to understand and listen to what she's saying. So I sit and I listen to what she's talking to me about. Now I've got Bluetooth on the helmet, I've got a radio, I've got built-in iPod, I've got another helmet so I can talk to my girlfriend behind, so we could do the intercom. But the majority of the time, Bluetooth is turned off, and I listen to what Sam is saying, because I'm learning again, and it's all about learning, and you continue to learn. So you learn your lean angles, you can learn your head angles and how it affects. You see, I'm only turning my head, and it completely changes the way the bike moves. So it does. Everything changes with the K1600. It is so sensitive that you have to understand what she's saying. And then when you understand what she or he, that's you, Robin Beck, so Wolfie, you'll learn this. Robin Beck needs the 1600s as well. So when you look at and feel the way a K1600 works, it's like no other bike you've had before. Now I've had Ninjas, Ducatis, Suzukis, Yamahas, Aprilias, Hondas. I'm trying to think of one I haven't had. Benellis. So I've gone through a whole range of different bikes, and most bikes you just get on and ride. What I didn't realise with the K1600 is you don't get on, you get in, because the K1600, it was like my lower half. So it's my lower half is a K1600. So she works differently, she does many things differently, but she gives me a whole range of things that most bikes never can, and that's really cool. So I'm just going to check the GoPro on the dash, because I think it may have gone off, or it could have been just me. So let me just quickly check. No, it was me. I forgot to turn it on. I'll turn it on later, and then we'll get some dash footage of the gorgeous me looking at you and talking to you. So we'll do it that way. I'll do it when we get to where we're going. So that's what a K1600 is. A K1600 is your lower half, because you climb into it and you don't grip. There's no need to grip with your knees. You just sit in. You move your body, and your K1600 moves. So Grant, persevere, brother, because if she's the right bike for you, then you'll become one, and you'll feel what I'm feeling now. Now I'm going to caveat that and say the K1600 isn't for everybody, because you have to understand the way different bikes feel, ride, move, and a whole range of different things. And it is different from bike to bike. Now, some people absolutely adore Harleys. Me, love the sound, love the engine. Can I ride one? Yes. Do I like it? Hell no. I had the Street Glide, and it went back to the dealer. He was very keen for me to buy one, but I couldn't ride it. It just didn't feel